Hey everyone, Scott with DEWALT, and we're back here at Acme Tools today to check out another new item from DEWALT, our 1000 PSI 60 volt brushless power cleaner. Let's take a look. Now this unit features a really high efficiency brushless motor. It's going to give you up to 37 minutes of runtime on this. Not only that, it's going to be at 1000 PSI and 1.5 gallons per minute. Now this unit also features a high-low switch, so you can either maximize your cleaning power or maximize your runtime. Now another nice feature is actually your nozzles you have on board right here. You got a soap nozzle, 40, 25, and 15. Oh, and for extra power, a turbo nozzle. Finally, this unit is self-priming, so simply hook it up to a garden hose and you're ready to roll. Now let's say you don't have access to a garden hose. In the box is this unit right here. Simply drop this in any freshwater source and you're ready to go. One thing to note, there's actually a filter here. It is removable, so take your time and clean it once in a while. Hey, thanks again for stopping by today to check out the new 60 volt max 1000 PSI power cleaner. If you want to pick one of these up, see us 10 retail branch locations, or check us out on acmetools.com.